Oh my gosh. Yeah, I thought I would do a little intro in front of the lovely door. Look at the otter. Oh, and the other. They are utterly lovely. So yeah, we are having a Christmas jumper pyjama day. It was Bee's choice. She's not quite feeling great today, so we're just laying low. We've been playing, and I've been doing lots of laundry. Yay! So yeah, I'm just cooking something, and oh, I'll show you what we're up to. Oh, Stephen got me a poinsettia, which I always used to get my mum for Christmas. I feel really, oh, I suddenly feel like a mum with a poinsettia for Christmas. That is so lovely. So I'm just going to put that in a pot and get that all sorted. Yeah, I know, he left a price on, I know. But they're watching a little Christmas thing, the Velveteen Rabbit, which seems very sweet. Bee's not feeling quite, she's a bit under the weather this morning, so I've just given her a bit of Calpol, which I use very sparingly, but she said she had a really full head, so yeah. And I'm just cooking some sausages, and we're gonna have eggs, and there's a bit of bacon left, but yeah, like a brunchy fry up. I'm writing Christmas cards, I'm writing lists.
Not bad. Enjoyed it. Best bag angel I've seen.
Now what?
Oh, Filbury Snow. No, bad idea.
So I just have to say, oh, that's a bit close. Maybe I'll come a bit further back. I spent all weekdays dragging Bea out of bed. Honestly, I could have to get her up at 7:30, and she will not wake up, and it's so hard. And she goes to bed at a nice early hour, and on the weekend, pretty much every weekend so far, just jumps out of bed as early as possible. So last night she didn't get to sleep until like nearly 10 because of our Christmas party at our neighbours, and she would wake up 7 o'clock on the dot. Come on, mummy, let's go downstairs. I was like, oh, that's not fair. But actually we're having a really lovely cozy morning. We're watching some Sarah and Duck, which has just been a favourite since she was a little baby. It's just wonderful. It's such a warming, lovely show. Watch it even if you don't have kids. Just watch Sarah and Duck. It's just gorgeous. And having some cinnamon grahams now. So yeah, and we've left Daddy to sleep, which is really nice to give him that, because they gave me that yesterday for half an hour. So we'll give him a nice lie-in today. T-Rex had holes in its skull where muscles might, oh that's hard to read, might have been attached. Oh, you dropped the egg again? Oh no. Beatrix, that's your fingers. I know, you've already done that one there, haven't you? That's so beautiful, our little fairy.
It's right in the face. And then should we put that corner back on? There we go.
The little Christmas tree. And each one night there was a little Christmas tree, and the Santa came and took the Christmas tree away.
He took it away? because Santa, it wasn't Santa, it was actually.
Oh, right, okay.
Wow.
Fire from Scott Baker. Got the Christmas tree and put it back where it belongs. But that wasn't the end. Then they did the best way ever. The way this stayed in its place.
A note on her snout. Sweetheart, Santa won't be here for hours, said her mother. On the... Are you ready for this?
5
So, 5th
of the 5th
day of Christmas, my true love sent to me. You ready? 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle
doves. And a partridge
in a pear tree.
Yeah, it's definitely Christmas when you're having burnt sausages, isn't it? I made them just about work. Whoops.
Hey you, yeah you. Do you know what kind of train this is? Huh? Train, do you know what kind of train this is? Well, do ya?
All of you. It's just all of you. It's just all of you. It's just you, all of you. All of you.
All of you sounds like I love you.
Just all of you.
I love you too.
It's you, just you and you. Just you and me and you. Like everybody, it's just you. It's time to see the beauty about Christmas Day. Something that is special is you.
Aww.
We jump down to the middle on Christmas. A little tree or big one. There's something special. It's you. Just you. You and me. Everybody. Like something special everywhere. Something here with you.
What day is it today, Bee?
Oh, I think you're up to a new floor. You've done all those. They should all be open.
Sorry, is that to help?
Yeah. Okay. So now, you were there yesterday, number 9.
Number 10? Right, okay. Should we read it?
Well done in black again.
You ready for today's, Bee?
Yeah.
It's the 10th of December. There's snow all about. There isn't really, but just use your imagination. So where is today's gift, inside or out? Just go where the carol singers are sharing their cheer, as a little gift is hiding just near.
Carol sing.
Yeah.
Do we have any carol singers and snow? Do you want to bring it over? What is it? Can you show me? Have you got one like that before?
No.
Oh, weird. It says Sylvanian families, and then it's got a lot of Japanese. So I think this one is slightly harder to find over here.
Oh, yeah.
Should we open it and see which one you got?
I gotta get my scissors.
Well done. We just do a little snip there. Where did you learn to be so good at cutting? That's brilliant.
Very good, isn't she?
Right. What's inside? Turn around so we can see.
I want to have a scissors as well.
Okay, we'll open it on there and we won't look.
Is it the mystery
Did you get
one?
the mystery one?
Yeah.
That's so cool! What animal is it?
Oh,
No! That is Bee's favourite animal and Daddy.
How long have they been on, darling?
Well, I don't really want to tell you how badly the mixture went, so longer than they should have because everything went a bit wrong. But I think they look all right, and that's the main thing. And I didn't burn them, which is huge for me.
Great. So I don't understand. What went wrong with the mixture?
Thank you, darling. Well, what went wrong with the mixture is I can't read. So when it says 3 teaspoons of water, I immediately put in 3 tablespoons of water.
That'd probably do it, wouldn't it?
Yeah, so then I ended up adding loads of flour and a bit more ginger and a bit more brown sugar and a bit of cinnamon for good measure. So I have no idea what these are going to taste like. But they look good. I mean, you guys, we've done a brilliant job.
Cool.
Look at that.
That's a portly Santa Claus.
Oh, yeah. Too many mince pies. Oh, mince pie.
Okay. Right, so it's starting to look
he has hair.
Can we cut an arm out here? That's it. And should we do that one as well? Do you want to hold it this side? So we'll come around and go across like that. Okay. Now, what we could do is we could cut
Okay guys, I'm gonna sign out now. Just doing bits and bobs for Stephen, and then trying to like get through laundry and some admin that we've got to do. So got a lot of that to do. I hope you enjoyed our gingerbread making. It was really sweet, and I love the fact that we've now got 2 jars of gingerbread on the shelves. That's really lovely. Yeah, I will see you tomorrow for day 11. Okay, lots of love everyone. Take care. Bye. I just wanna